Yo, so there we have it, the fully loaded garage by Garage Style. Big up Harry and the team, come all the way from UK to Dubai. I've got my Lamborghini twin turbo Performante and I've got my fully loaded McLaren Senna, which is all DMO specs. Big up to Garage Style every single time. If you guys want to have your garage done like this, no matter where you are in the world, hit up Garage Style and say DMO sent you. That's all you need to do, bro. Sensational.
But first, let's take it back to where it all started. So DMO has been a very good client of ours over the last 7 years. We've done over 10 garage flooring installations for him across his various properties, as well as some of his businesses. So he flew us out to Dubai and take a look what happened. I've just arrived at Heathrow, about to head off to Dubai to do another collaboration. So stay tuned, we're going to take you guys with us and show you what we're up to. Right, just landed in Dubai, had about 5 hours sleep, 38 degrees outside, so it's going to be a hot one. Just waiting for my bag now, and I'm being picked up by DMO's driver. I'm going to head over to his house, check out the garage and get the install started. Right, so that's it, bag collected, just been picked up by DMO's driver in the DMO bus, so nice and comfortable. Just heading over to his place now, so stay tuned and very shortly we'll show you his garage and show you what we're going to be doing. Right, so we've just landed in Dubai. Welcome back to our next international collaboration. We're here to do DMO DJ's garage. So a good customer of ours from the UK, he's now got a place out here. We've just landed, stay tuned and we're going to show you what we're doing to his garage.
Hey yo, so touchdown back at my villa and the Senna is back on my drive, looking fresh as fuck, but we have a major concern right now. My garage is looking dusty as hell. So I'm about to bring over the best in the game from UK to Dubai to come and do my garage transformation. So I'm gonna hand it over to the expert. Harry has landed fresh from UK to Dubai, and now you guys can get exactly what I'm about to have done to my garage in Dubai right now. If you hit up Garage Style, which the link is in my bio. Let's some more action. Over to Harry. Yo, so there you have it. Garage Style have come from all the way from UK to Dubai to do the first ever fully loaded Garage Style build. We've got the LED lights, we've got AC, blacked out walls, tiles on the floor. Harry absolutely smashed it once again. This has got to be what? The 10th or the 15th?
100%, but first in Dubai, so.
Come on, Harry's tired right now, and obviously it's 50 degrees Celsius right now. So listen, if you're watching this and you want to have your garage done in Dubai, I am the first one for them to do. You guys can be the next person, so hit up Garage Style. The link is in the bio or on the screen. Go drop them a follow and let's enjoy. Let's go.
Right, that's it, 24 hours in Dubai done. Just being picked up by DMO's driver in the bus, heading back to the airport. Could have done with more than 24 hours, to be fair. We were working till 2 AM last night with the contractors, getting all the lighting up. So a lot of it was done in the dark, so not too much content of the actual fitting process. but the results speak for themselves. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.